Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can format the output in Python. Okay, let's get started. So we can give formatting output in two different methods. One is by percentile operator and another one is curly braces. Okay, let's see how we can do that in step by step. So when I use percentile operator, we need to use the percentile D and percentile S and percentile F or percentile G. So here everything representing one data type. Percentile D means integer and percentile S is string type and percentage F is for float for decimal numbers. So before using this percentile, we need to remember the data types. So I will show you few examples here. Let's go to Visual Studio, create one file as formatting output.py. Okay, I'll initialize two variables here, three variables here. First one is name, name equal to, I say I'm or Priya. Let's say Priya is the name of the employee and age is 25. Next, salary is 35,000. Okay, 35,000.60 something. So this is the decimal numbers. Okay, uh, normally uh, in Python, whichever value we have assigned into a variable, that will initialize, if you initialize string, this name variable will be considered as a string type. Okay, this will be considered as a string type. So when I store number, that will be considered as a int type, and when I store a decimal number, that will be considered as a float type. So that so here the data types are defaultly considered in Python. Okay, so we don't need to specify any data type here as per the Python. So now let's print these values in different ways. I'll show you few approaches here. Let's start with first approach. Let's say approach 1. Let's print these values. Normally, how will print these values? Name, comma, age, comma, salary. Okay, let's print these values. See how we'll get the output. Let's control S, save this, and yeah, see. First, give the process. See how we'll get the output here. We'll get the output in side by side ways. We'll get output as side by side ways. Let's see. Name, the variable name contains the string Priya. Data type is string type. So Priya is a string data type. See here, age is 25. Salary is 35,000.6. Okay, this is the way we are getting the output. If you want to get the output, if you want to display these lines in for proper format, let's see how we'll print these. Let's say approach 2. Let's say approach 2. How we'll print these values in the next different way. Let's say name is, here comma is a separator. Okay, comma is a separator. Name is name. What is the variable here? Name. So here we are giving name as a variable. Next, just copy this and paste here. Yeah, here we'll replace age. Okay, here also age. this give capital letter. Yeah. Next one is age. After age, this is a salary. Here also we'll replace salary. So how will get the output? Let's see. Let's run this Python file. Yeah. See, here getting the output in the proper format, like line by line we are getting Priya. Okay, this is a second line. Name is Priya and age is 25 and the salary is 35,000.6. Okay, this is the way we are getting. Okay, the next approach is third approach. That one is using third approach is using percentile approach. Okay, using percentile operator. Okay, let's say how we'll do that. Let's print name name. Okay, name here will give name is for string type we are using percentile s. Name is a string, right? So we are using percentile age. For age is a int type, so we are using percentile d. And salary is float type, right? This is a decimal number. Salary is containing decimal numbers, right? So we are using percentile f or percentile g. Okay, understood? So this is the way we are giving the values here. Okay, let's say percentile, sorry, after this percentile in bracket name, all the three variables we need to display here, name and age comma salary, close the bracket. Okay, see how we'll get the output. Let's print this value. In approach 3, how we are getting the output? Let's compare these. See, name is Priya and age is 25, salary is 35,000.6. Understood? Like this, we'll get the output. So here, what is important in approach 3 is the data type is very important here. We'll say here we are using percentile operator. Okay, this one is in this percentile operator, data type is very important. Data type is important in the percentile operator. After this, we'll try to use the not percentile, curly braces. How we'll use curly braces in Python to display output? Let's see. Let's say approach. Let's say approach 4. Okay. Here we are using. Let's say here using curly braces. Okay, this here value is important, not data type. Here value is important. Okay, enter. Let's print the variables here. Just copy this line, copy and paste here. Paste here. So here we need to remove this. We need to give curly braces. Instead of this percentile d and percentile s, we need to give curly braces in the place of those values. Okay, just remove s and remove percentile also. In the place of percentile, we need to give dot format. This is a method we are using here. Okay, so let's run this code. How will we get the output? Yeah, we are getting output in the same method. We should get output in the same method only. See, same method we are getting the output. So okay, if you, another approach is also there. If you want to print output in by using what we are using index method also, we can use here for getting the output, for displaying the output. Okay, so let's say out approach 5 using index. Okay, index and percent curly braces. Let's copy this and paste here so that we can give some index values in the braces. Always index value is starting from 0th index, so we are giving 0 and age is 1 first index and salary is second index, right? So let's print this value, control save. Okay, print this value. How will get the output? Let's see. By using index numbers we are using, and see, we are getting the same method of output. So this is the formatting output, we called it. Okay, so in this video today what we learned, how to use percentile operator and curly braces in the Python for displaying the output in different approaches. Okay, understood? So thank you all. If you want get more updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.